Yeah, we teach about having a strong center. Like you heard, this is in all of, not just sports, but a lot of things like trust your gut. People will say that, trust your guts. Where are your guts? People know about their gut, and it's right below your belly button. It's your center of gravity. So, if you balanced on a balance bar, you just like we did when we were 5, you'll find your center of gravity, your hand. You can stretch out your hands, you can stretch out your feet. A 5-year-old can do that. 4-year-old can do that. So you find that center of gravity, and that's your gut. And so Buddhism, a lot of meditation practices talk about returning to your center, returning to your deep center, your gut. And so you, when you don't know, you bring that, like a question, important questions like a career or life partner. It's like, don't know, and trust your gut, because maybe it's just not time or whatever, but you have the great question about what am I and how do I proceed? What door do I walk into? And your head's not going to figure it out. So your head energy, bring it down to your gut, and it's not like you can't think, but you want to know what is it, and then just listen. I had a situation, so I don't want to bore you, but this is back when I was 40, but I had 2 people that really liked me that were calling, because I was divorced, and these 2 people were calling me, and I kind of liked both of them. One was a girl, and I was like, oh, so I never had a girlfriend, so it was kind of hard for me to. I was homophobic on some level, so I was like, oh, I don't think I want to try that. And yet, every time when the phone would ring, my gut wanted it to be her. I was I was happy it was her. It was funny. I went, well, there you go. Because I was 40. I've been practicing since I was 24. I've been practicing a long time. I went, well, there you go. And it was like, this didn't want it. That was kind of conflicted, but this knew who I was. I did, yeah. We've been together for 37 years now. Long time, yeah. We're very happy. But that's not it. Sometimes your gut won't tell you right away, so you gotta be patient. And the most important thing is you want to help. How can I help? And the more you got to walk in and just be helpful, which I understand you are. Here at the Zen Center, I've heard good things about you, and that feels good, doesn't it? Just to be helpful, and then the mind is it's going to help you. Your gut's going to help you. Yeah, we just trust it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.